Welcome to Retirement Optimizer's how-to videos to help you work through the program and plan your retirement. This video will work through question 3 under Optimal Plans in Step 12 of the Solver. How would I need to adjust my target income and future asset purchases for a certain post-retirement net estate value? After running the first two questions, it was determined that retirement goals are not achievable. This tool will calculate the required expense reduction to achieve retirement duration with a set post-retirement net worth. If you have more assets than required for the desired post-retirement net estate value with current annual spending targets, this question will also calculate how much more you can spend each year in retirement. Before running a question, remember you can select which file of saved inputs you'd like to analyze. Also, the solver will automatically optimize the ages you will begin receiving or withdrawing CPP, OAS, or LIF. If you prefer the ages defined in Step 4, simply uncheck the respective box. To begin, click on the question or job that you would like to run. Then enter the net estate value desired at the end of retirement. If the retiree could not remain retired for the stated years of retirement, in question 1, and this analysis is being used to calculate spending levels to achieve stated years, enter a 0. Should you require assistance calculating a projected post-retirement net estate value, you can use the FV calculator. Enter the value in today's dollars, as well as the expected average annual inflation. The number of desired years of retirement is automatically entered into the calculator, and we can ignore the contributions table. Copy the value and close the window to enter it into the respective field. Then click on the Check Timeline button to begin the analysis. The program will determine how spending must be adjusted. In this instance, the retiree must reduce target income and future asset purchases by 5%. In other instances, retirees can increase their annual spending, and the solver can create a plan for either scenario. Click on the Generate Plan button. The solver shows the net estate value post-retirement if spending is reduced by 5%. Remember, the file will save with the default name, so be sure to rename the job if you wish to compare various inputs and their respective outputs, and click the Rename Job button. Check off the Show in Graphs box for each question that you would like to view and compare in Step 13. Should you have run analysis on multiple questions and wish to only view the graphs of one question, you must first select Show in Graphs and then select Show Only this job. If you would like to download a report of the output for this question, first click on Report Options to select the list of details, graphs, and tables that will be included in the PDF output for the retiree. Remember that a separate report is generated for each question. Click on Download Report and select whether you would like to encrypt the PDF. Remember that if you have previously entered a password and clicked Submit, this PDF report will also be encrypted with the same password. You can remove previous passwords by hitting the PDF encryption options and clicking Submit with a blank field, and the report will appear in your Downloads folder. The generated PDF will include all the tables and graphs that you have selected in the report options. You have now completed question 4 of the analysis. You can continue to Step 13 to review tables and graphs from the analysis in more detail, or continue to subsequent questions.